Okay, you guys, so tengo un desmadre en mi cuarto, so quiero hacer like a new organized room. I kind of want to declutter everything, pero ya puse a lavar todas mis colchas, las sábanas y todo, porque la Rubí me hizo spill mi drink that I read, and it got all over my bed. So now I have to clean it. I'm honestly just gonna try to just organize everything because I feel like I have everything just mix and match. Voy a hacer una limpieza profunda, haz de cuenta. I'm gonna get rid of all the clothes. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Maybe I'll get copyrighted, but I'm trying to get rid of all the clothes that I don't need anymore. I'm gonna try to get like clothes that I don't want out, and the things that I do want, I'm gonna color coordinate everything. Y la neta, honestamente, me sentí inspirada. Estaba viendo un chorro de videos ayer de qué puedo hacer. So dije yo, pues, I'm just gonna color coordinate everything. Look crazy. But tengo una visión en mi cuarto que quiero hacer. Have to be in a clean room, a clean environment to make your surroundings feel better. If you guys want to see, just keep watching. So another thing I want to like fix is my drawers, my man's drawers. Yeah, he's the organized one. He's the organized, a little organized one. And your girl on the other side. Like, for what reason, you know what I mean? For what fucking reason do I have this shit all around thrown in here? Like, for what? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through our drawers and get rid of everything that I don't want anymore, toss it to the side, maybe go to Goodwill and take it there, and then just keep the ones that I do want to keep for good. So you guys are gonna see that. Guys, tengo un desmadre aquí yo. Supérame. Supérame. Okay, you guys, so I finally kind of finished all the drawers and like my clothes. Still gonna go through my closet just to really organize it there. But let me show you guys what I have so far. Honestly, this takes forever. If you want to do a deep cleaning, you better do this like a day, like get yourself a full day, because you're not gonna finish. So this is the top drawer. This is kind of stained, but the underwear, socks, this is my man's drawer, all my shirts. Down there's just my underwear and stuff. More shirts. I had to like combine them because I have so much shirts, so I'm just like, let me just make it work. And then my biker shorts. This is all like my biker shorts, and then shorts that are like comfy to be around the house, or leggings. And then aquí están mis pantalones. And I didn't fix my man's because he already has it pretty organized, so I didn't need to do that. I washed everything, so I'm just gonna put everything in and get it nice and pretty. I didn't record like a little bit of the last part of me like fixing my room. I got home. It's currently like 1:40 in the morning. Showered because I needed to shower, and I was just hanging out with my friends. We were just chilling. I'm not naked, y'all. I'm wearing a little sports bra. But let me show you guys how my room ended up. So, alright, you guys. So when you walk in, this is the first thing you see. I still need to fix this stuff, but I already put my sheets in and everything cleaned. All the drawers are all nice and done. Oh, you guys can't see that drawer. But all this is done. Like, I organized everything how I told you guys. There's this part. And my little big closet. I'm still not all done with it, but I did take out most of everything that I wanted to take out. And I kind of tried to color coordinate. But it's not that well color coordinated. But I tried. I'm gonna try to still organize it way better. I want to get rid of this thing. I want to be able to put everything away from the top. Definitely gonna get rid of a lot of things from here that he doesn't use anymore. But my room is done. I'm gonna also get like a little mattress, like a little rug. But tenía una carpeta aquí chiquita, pero como que ya no me gustó como se miraba. Se miraba muy chafa. So we are gonna do, I want to do something different though. Like I want to get a bigger dresser right here and on the other side, and just get a curtain here to cover my closet because I hate how you can see everything in here. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I will make another declutter video like that, but maybe like organizing my lash room or something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below of anything you might want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video.